In a world where skincare products often come in flashy packaging and hefty price tags, there's a timeless alternative that's been around for centuries, offering the promise of radiant, healthy skin. Today, we journey into the heart of natural remedies for skincare, exploring the wonders of nature's bounty and how it can transform your complexion. But before we begin, if you're passionate about taking control of your well-being through natural remedies and nutrition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss our latest insights on achieving a healthier, happier you. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera, often referred to as the plant of immortality, is a time-tested remedy for soothing irritated or sunburned skin. Its gel-like substance is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce redness, hydrate your skin, and promote healing. Aloe Vera is a versatile natural remedy that can be used as a standalone treatment or mixed with other ingredients for customized skincare solutions. Honey, with its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, has been used for centuries in skincare routines. It can help combat acne, reduce inflammation, and provide deep moisturization. Whether you apply it as a face mask or mix it with other natural ingredients, honey is a sweet solution for healthy, glowing skin. Oatmeal exfoliation is essential for removing dead skin cells and revealing fresh, radiant skin underneath. Oatmeal acts as a great gentle exfoliant. It can effectively cleanse and soothe your skin. Its natural texture is perfect for sloughing off impurities without causing irritation, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent, making it an excellent choice for treating acne and blemishes. When diluted with a carrier oil, this essential oil can be applied topically to target problem areas, helping to reduce inflammation and promote clearer skin. Green tea. Green tea isn't just a delightful beverage, it's also a skincare powerhouse. Rich in antioxidants, it can help protect your skin from the damaging effects of UV radiation and pollution. You can enjoy green tea's benefits both inside and outside your body by sipping on a cup and applying it as a soothing toner or face mask. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a versatile natural remedy that can benefit the skin in multiple ways. It is an excellent moisturizer, helping to keep the skin soft and hydrated. Additionally, coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties, making it effective against acne-causing bacteria. You can use coconut oil as a gentle makeup remover, body moisturizer, or even as a hair conditioner for added shine. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in cooking, also has remarkable skincare properties. It contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric can help reduce redness, calm irritated skin, and even out skin tone. You can create a turmeric face mask by mixing it with yogurt or honey to achieve a brighter, more radiant complexion. Be cautious though, as turmeric can temporarily stain the skin. Rose water. Rose water is a fragrant and soothing natural product derived from rose petals. It has been used for centuries as a natural toner and skin refresher. Rose water helps balance the skin's pH, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It can reduce redness, calm irritation, and provide a gentle, refreshing sensation when applied as a facial mist. You can also use rose water as a natural makeup setting spray or mix it with other ingredients to create DIY skincare products like face masks and toners. In conclusion, natural remedies for skincare offer an accessible, affordable, and effective way to nourish and revitalize your skin. From the soothing properties of aloe vera to the healing touch of honey, the gentle exfoliation of oatmeal, the blemish-fighting prowess of tea tree oil, and the protective shield of green tea, nature's bounty provides a treasure trove of options for achieving radiant skin. So why not embrace these timeless remedies, letting the beauty of nature enhance the beauty of your skin? Your skin deserves the care and love that only nature can provide.